Good day. This research is titled Syntactic and Phonetic Proficiencies of College Students, Effects of Using Audio-Recorded Reflections and Feedbacks. In this time of intense globalization, English language skills of individuals become a necessity. Correct syntax and sound production are central to effective communication. As technology-mediated communication becomes the safest and the most feasible way of exchanging ideas and information at this time of pandemic, one cannot afford not to be immediately understood. Any error in syntax and phonetics can hinder the correct and expeditious transfer of information. Hence, each one has the duty to communicate clearly, correctly, and intelligibly. Amidst varying teaching strategies, syntactic problems persist among college learners. Ngangbam 2016 reported that mother tongue interference, misuse sentence fragment, overuse, lack of grammatical knowledge, and formation and developmental errors constitute the reasons. In the Philippines, many college students find it difficult to confidently express themselves in spoken English. Sandigan 2018, Separa et al. 2015, and substitution of segmental sounds occur. Al-Sulaiman and Muhammad 2014, Hauro and Ahmed 2018, Neri et al. 2006. Estioco and Iroa 2015 reveal that their errors dwell on hard th, th, z, the soft th, th, e, and e, and when subjected to learning through a pronunciation module, improvements in perceiving critical English sounds is enhanced, but not their correct production. Kartoshina and Hervey's Adelman 2015. For the objectives of this study, determine the levels of syntactic and phonetic proficiencies of the college learners. Determine the significant relationship between the syntactic and phonetic proficiencies of the learners. Document the effects of utilizing reading, reflection, recording, feedback, 3RF continuum in the syntactic and phonetic proficiencies of the learners, and assess the common syntactic and phonetic errors of the participants. For the conceptual framework, Thorndike's connectionism theory, according to MacLeod 2018, consisted of law of effect, law of readiness, and law of exercise, upholds association of responses to stimuli that can result to learning. This also affirms the trajectory of trainings that adheres to the pragmatism of Dewey, Sorel 2013, in which actual performance of a task yields greater learning. The repetitions, thus, in the 3RF continuum can potentially yield positive results towards the learner's syntactic and phonetic proficiencies. For the methodology in data collection, there's reading, reflection, recording, feedback, or 3RF continuum, 14-week conduct with 30-second audio recorded reflection among 17 learners, and interview. For data analysis, sequential explanatory mixed method was used, audio recording analysis by interraters, scoring, and transmuting. For the treatment, statistically, mean, Pearson R, and frequency and percentage were used, and for the qualitative data, thematic analyses. For the results and discussion, level of syntactic proficiency of the participants is very good. For the level of phonetic proficiency of the participants, majority obtained fair. For the significant relationship between the syntactic and phonetic proficiencies, there was no significant relationship found, hence syntactic and phonetic proficiencies do not equate one another. For the effects of the audio recorded reflection, activity, and feedback to the participants, 3 themes emerged. Theme 1, path to improving grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, motivation, and confidence. Theme 2, becoming a metacognitive learner. And Theme 3, producing enhanced learners through feedbacks. For the frequency and percentage of syntactic errors, most of the errors were in subject-verb agreement with a frequency of 85 or 57.82%. For the frequency and percentage of phonetic errors, most of the errors were on consonants with a frequency of 362 or 81.71%. Conclusions. Majority of the participants have very good level of syntactic proficiency and fair level of phonetic proficiency. The learners felt the 3RF continuum as path to improving grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, motivation, and confidence, way to becoming a metacognitive learner, and means of producing enhanced learners through feedbacks. Learners' syntactic proficiency does not equate to phonetic proficiency. The difficulties were mostly manifested on subject-verb agreement and proper production of consonant sounds. Implications and recommendations. This study affirms how the performance task encapsulated in 30-second audio-recorded reflections and teachers' feedbacks can stimulate learners' metacognitive skills, improve syntactic and phonetic proficiencies, and boost confidence. Educators and administrators can learn from these results in considering sound teaching methodologies and strategies and in formulating need-based and timely policies. Further, integrate the reading, reflection, record, feedback, or 3RF continuum in the teaching of English 2 or English Language Enhancement course and or in other English-related subjects. Strengthen feedback mechanisms of teachers to ensure development of learners' skills and advancement of knowledge. Establish a sustainable English language skills development program that can cater to the continuous language performance training needs of the learners. And conduct curriculum review and consider the addition of structure of English and speech and oral communication related subjects to non-English major course offerings. And that's for this research. Yours truly, Jocelyn L. Gagalang, PhD, from University of Rizal System, Philippines. Thank you very much.